As you can see, it's time for another Safe and Sane demo for you. But before we tell you who it's from, say hello to the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
Sergeant Pyro. What do we have tonight from Santan Fireworks?
Cuckoo Power.
It's definitely Cuckoo Power. Sounds like a cereal. And these are classics, right? For a lot of you out there, caution, flammable. These are a lot of fun. Oh my goodness, if you kind of turn it around, let's see. We got two in there. All right, now these come in all Safe and Sane Santan Firework assortments. There they are. All right, these are going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have a, well, I guess we're going to get Cuckoo. Cuckoo. There we go. All right, off to the street pad. All right, we made it to the street pad. Here comes the first Cuckoo. Wow. Cuckoo Power from Santan Fireworks, right? There we go. Okay, now we're going to do the second one. We're not going to cut. There we go. Sergeant Pyro. Oh, we had a little spark there. There we go, Sergeant Pyro. Nice whistle. Woo.
That's a lot of fun.
Yeah, right? Perfect for Safe and Sane. Perfect. You know what we're going to say? We're going to zoom in on them. There they are. We're going to zoom in.